Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can buy a course from Learn from Fiverr. So let's start the video. Before I begin to buy the course, I should tell you that I am buying this particular course from Learn from Fiverr because whenever you buy a course from this site and you successfully complete it, then you get a badge on your Fiverr profile. So this will increase the reputation of your profile and may also increase the potential of getting more orders. So that's the reason why I'm buying the particular course that I'm going to show you right now. Anyways, let's begin. First of all, you're going to open your browser and you're going to open this site, learn.fiverr.com. I will put this website's link in the video's description. Here you can see different courses on different topics. We got WordPress, Facebook ads, and if I press on view all courses, then we can see all the different courses that are offered on Learn from Fiverr website. So if you're a graphic designer, then you should go with the graphic designing course. If you're a WordPress editor or anything like that, so most probably they will have all the courses. So mine will be in the Adobe CC section because I want to buy a course of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let me just see whether the course is available here or not. We got Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, and here it is, Adobe Premiere Pro Fundamentals. Its price is $26. So here you can buy the course or you can first preview it as well. And here on the right side you got its course syllabus, total videos, and the total time, and this is the badge that will be shown on your profile once you successfully complete this course and pass the final exam of this course as well. So I'm just simply going to buy the course because I have already previewed it, but I highly recommend that you first preview the course with the free preview option and then buy the course. So here its total price is $26. So you need to make sure that you are logged into the same Fiverr account in which you want to show your badge. If you're logged into another Fiverr account, then the badge will be shown to that particular account. So make sure that you log into that same Fiverr account on which you want the particular badge to be shown once you complete the course. So here I'm going to enter my credit card information. You can pay through PayPal as well. Anyways, let me just enter my details of payment. I'm going to press on complete payment, and now it's going to check and validate whether the entered details of my card are correct or not. Okay, thank you for purchasing Adobe Premiere Pro Fundamentals. Click the button below to access your full course. So I'm going to press on view course so that now I can watch the course videos and then I can give the final exam to get my Premiere Pro badge on my website, on my Fiverr profile. Here you can see on the left we got all of our videos with the outline, and on the right the video is playing. Anyways guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.